So today I just wanted to share with you how I make a shaker. I've done this before, actually it's not the first time. I'm just going to make a quick shaker using these cards that I found at Michael's. They were a hot buy for $5. I think they still have them, but it's I think it's 70% off maybe. I'm not sure. So I'm using 2 cards. Those cards are awesome because there's nothing inside, and on the back it's also finished without any writing. So we're going to also use a clear protector. It doesn't matter which one you use. This is the one that I pulled out. That's from Target. And we're going to use the fuse tool. And then I have my ruler for that too. A little trimmer I have, and some shaker bits and stuff like that as well. So I'm going to cut this down. I'm using everything here. I'm cutting off where the fold is, and I'm going to trim off the thank you part. I actually use that half for scraps later on in something else. And I'm just going to cut this down into like a project card, but it's going to be decoration. So I mainly wanted to use the girl on the bike. And then here I'm also going to cut down that Eiffel Tower into a card size as well. Doesn't matter what size, I just want it to be smaller than the bigger card. And that little thing says ooh la la, the Eiffel Tower. I'm going to round the corners as well. Alright, so now we're going to take the card, which is going to act like a background, and we're just going to seal that shut. You don't have to, but in order to not get pudgy inside your sleeve, I'm just doing it to make it like one piece, and I'm just creasing that even more. Then we're going to adhere the cards on the front and the back. And that's going to slip into our pocket. If you want to add other stickers and whatnot, you can. This is like a really super easy project. Alright, so now we have our card that's going to slip into our pocket. That particular size pocket is perfect for these cards, so you don't have to do that much trimming. I'm actually going to put it in sideways. It's kind of snug, but it will fit. And slip it in there, and I'm going to cut off all the excess. And then I'm going to throw in my sequins, and then I'll seal it. So I'm not using any trimmers. I'm just using my scissors today for this part. Normally I would use a trimmer. Okay, so now we're going to fill it with a mixture that I am going to make. I'm going to be throwing in some gold and some, I think, peach. And now the gold sequins that you see, the top 3 on the right, those are actually from Hobby Lobby. The majority of my sequins comes from stores like Hobby Lobby, Walmart, Joann's, Michael's. Anything that doesn't usually was either gifted to me or I found online. I did place an order. I didn't share a haul. I can't think of it. I think it's called Cartwright. A small order for the first time just to try it out, and I do like what they have. So, and it came pretty quick. Okay, so I put in my sequins. Well, I still got another couple colors to add. That one that I'm pulling out right now, that's one of the Cartwright sequins. I think I was trying to remember because I had already made 1 or 2 of those before and I wanted it to match. So I was trying to remember what color I put in there. And it was the white. And I think that particular white one is from Hobby Lobby. Alright, so now we're going to seal it. And, just got to make sure that you've left your fuse tool on long enough to seal. I'm pushing down my card and then I'm gonna fuse it. I found that longer fuse ruler at Hobby Lobby on clearance. I was really happy. I've been looking for it for a while. Sorry for the noise in the background. I'm organizing. I shouldn't be. Anyway, I think I've sealed it down. I'm checking to make sure it didn't cut through my plastic. I think we were good. And now we're just going to trim it. Can't remember what else I do, so I'm going to be watching and seeing what I do. I'm just kind of mixing it up in there just to get it all mixed up. Love the colors. And yeah, I'm just going to add one of these really pretty sparkly butterflies that I just got recently from, I think it was Hobby Lobby. And I'm going to throw that on top. And that's pretty much it. It's just a quick shaker to throw into a loaded bag that I have put together. And that's it. So thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye now.